In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Slack communities with our 2025 guide. Slack is a powerful platform for communication and collaboration, widely used by professionals, enthusiasts, and interest groups around the globe. Whether you're looking to connect with colleagues, share ideas within specific industries, or simply find like-minded individuals, joining a Slack community is a fantastic step. Let's dive into how you can find and join the perfect community for you. First, you'll need to find a suitable Slack community. There are a few common resources to help with this in 2025. One great place to begin is by browsing through Slack community directory websites. Here, you'll find platforms like Slowfile providing a searchable directory of public Slack groups. This makes it easy to filter through categories of interest and find the exact type of community you're seeking. Similarly, the Stanoply list organizes communities according to specific topics, helping you focus your search further. Another avenue to explore is community websites themselves. Many niche groups will host their own landing pages, directly promoting their Slack communities. For example, if you're into UX design, you might come across a dedicated landing page for a UX design Slack group. These pages will often provide detailed descriptions and links for how to join. Social media sites and forums are other effective tools. Platforms such as Reddit, Twitter, or LinkedIn often share invite links to various Slack groups. By keeping an eye on these channels, especially those related to your interests or industries, you'll likely stumble upon vibrant communities to join. Once you've identified a community that piques your interest, it's time to join. The first step is to click on the invite or join link provided. You'll need to enter your name and email address. Importantly, some communities accept any email domain, allowing a broad range of participants. However, others may require a more specific email, such as one associated with a company or educational institution. Make sure you know what's accepted for each community you're trying to enter. After submitting your details, the next step will likely involve confirming your membership through an email verification link. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to finalize and authenticate your membership. Once verified, take a moment to set up your profile. Fill in your name, upload a display picture, and optionally add details like your pronouns or job role. Customizing your profile not only helps you integrate into the community, but also allows others to quickly get to know who you are. And that's it. You're in. Joining a Slack community not only connects you with new people, but also opens up a world of shared knowledge and engagement. Enjoy collaborating and being part of a worldwide network on this dynamic platform.